Hello, my name is Julia Andrea Velasco Gonzalez, and I will be your tourist guide. Welcome to Miranda Cauca, an easy and fine place. Location: Miranda is a Colombian municipality located north of the department of Cauca. This is a territory of sociocultural diversity. It has the presence of a subpáramo are in the mountainous zone, which constitutes a great strength to increase ecotourism. In addition, its mountains have magic, allowing them to have waypoints and adventures with their climate conditions. When to travel in Miranda Cauca, any day of the year is ideal to travel to this destination. Places to visit in Miranda Cauca. You should not miss the bird watching in the mountains are. You must do visit the Bringen de Isla and bath in the Wenwe River. You have to watch along its magic Centenary Avenue. To is the waypoint of Tucson color. The Donkey Poodle, Spa de Wenwe, Guaduales, the Hill of the Three Crosses. Travel tips. You must obtain a permit to enter the mountains are. Take your camera to record the fabulous adventure you will like. You must pack sporty and elegant clothing in the night. You should not forget a cap and shorts that can get wet. Superstitions. The first sea from a barrel of liquor is served to the blessed soul in purgatory. Do not leave the bath of the floor because you will have financial losses. Where to stay in Miranda? The best are to stay is in the center of town, since you will find the best hotel. Example, the Luma of Apartatello, Darjay Typical foods of Miranda Cauca. In Miranda, you must eat the famoso chicken, sweet and pickle. Typical drink, you have drink a cup of coffee directly from the fields. You must also drink the shampoo and the sons. Typical means of transport in Miranda. The motorcycles are the fastest and most economical way to get around the town. Although if you want sometimes more comfortable, you should take the motorcar. Language and currency. Spanish is the official language of the town. The Colombia peso is the official currency. Tippings. In, in relation to this, specifically in the urban area of the town, is not required, but in mountainous area, it is expected that you bring a tree and plant in tree. Thank you. Bye.